This is going to be a quick demo on how to make up a PowerPoint, or in this case OpenOffice Impress presentation to do an alphabet and then some words using the phonetic alphabet. So this is OpenOffice, and you can open a new document under the little dialog box here, which is presentation, and that's what we've got open at the moment. So your first slide is where you're going to have all your alphabet letters. So what you do first is basically select the text for the cursor, with the cursor, and I usually use the Comic Sans font. So our first letter is going to be the letter A. Now you can make it a size which will be appropriate. Doesn't have to be too big, and keep in mind that the whole alphabet will have to fit on here. I suppose we could make it a little bit bigger, go up to about 72. Now for each letter we shall have an individual box like the one you see here. So because we're going to have them flying in with different transitions and add sound to each letter. So you can start with A, you can make it a colour, you can change the colours for each individual letter. We'll start off with something bright like red. Then select the box. Now there's two ways to select this. You can click on the actual near the letter and you'll see the cursor blinking away, or you actually select the box that's in, and that's what we want to select to add effects and sound to. So over here to the right you have your tasks pane, and what we want to do is use the custom animation here. Open it up and add effect. Now you can use a whole range of effects, as you can see, and you can experiment. You can have one that you like in particular, whatever. For this demo I'm just going to use the fly in. That usually select about fast, so it's not too slow, not too fast, and then just click OK for that, and you'll see the effect come up here. Now if we double click that, we can select where the letter flies in from. So for the first one we'll have it flying in from the bottom, and then we select the sound. Now for the sound, I used just the Windows sound recorder, which you can select from programs, accessories, entertainment, sound recorder, and you basically get this. And with a microphone you can do each letter, so that's a very easy way to just record your letters. And I've recorded mine in advance with a few words, and they're in the gallery at the moment. So we'll go back to this and we'll select the sound now, and we want to select at for this one. You can select other effects, but for this demo we'll just keep it pretty simple. Click OK. Now the easiest way to repeat this for each letter is to just copy and paste. Now you can right click and go copy and paste, and then you just move the letter alongside of it. Another way you can do it too, and with your keyboard shortcut just go Control and C for copy and Control and V for paste, then just move it alongside. Now you can select the letter and change its color. We'll make this one light magenta, then make it a B, and select the box again, and again modify effect or add an effect. You can select where it flies in from, and then we're going to select the B sound for this one. Select B. So we've got it flying in from the bottom right, we've got it flying in at fast speed. Click OK. Click OK, and we'll just see what that looks like.
B, K.
So you can do a whole alphabet this way. Now we'll go into, once you've done the alphabet, how to add pictures and letters and words. And the first one we'll do is bus. So just right click on the window here, select new slide, and the first thing we're going to do is insert the picture. So go to the file, insert picture from file. Now obviously you'll have to make a collection of photos or pictures that you will use for these. We want to go to the library that I've got already. So gallery, flashcard images, bus. Okay, so we move it into a position somewhere in the center. So now we want for this one bus, so we'll just start typing in the letters, B for bus, and the same thing again, we've got to do each individual letter. As you can see, we need the custom animation, which is just there. Add the effect, fly in again, choose the speed, click OK, double click it. You can select where it flies in from, select the sound, and OK. And again, Control C for copy, Control V, move it alongside, select it, change it to a U. You can move it a bit closer because this is going to look like a word. So you can have the left side of the box just overlapping the end of the letter like that. Again, select the fly in, fast, OK. Double click it, get the sound for it. Select where it flies in from. OK. Again, Control C. Click OK. Now we can select the whole lot and just move it so it's around about the center. Again, we can make this bigger. It's your choice how big you make it, what color you use, but this is just the basics for the demo. So for the last sound we need the whole sound of the word, which will be bus. So a way to do that is to actually just select the last letter, Control C, copy, Control V, do not move it, and then add another effect. Now for this one we just want it to appear, select the top one, which is default, click OK. You don't want it to fly in or anything like that, you just want it to appear, and you won't actually see it appear, it'll just be there because it's on top of the other S. Double click it and select your sound, which again we have pre-recorded. Click OK, and then we'll do the demo.
B, A, S, bus.
And basically that's it. So you can just do it over and over again with pictures that you have, and really we found this to be a very powerful way to teach our daughter who's autistic how to spell, and she can read and spell fantastically now, and she's starting to learn conversation. So we think she's come miles ahead with this very simple method that anyone can do from home. OpenOffice is free. You can download it from the openoffice.org website, and it is very powerful, backward compatible with PowerPoint or Microsoft product, and so that's it.